Welcome to 135 River Point Drive in Guntersville, Alabama. This is not only one of Guntersville's most desirable neighborhoods, but this custom craftsman home is going to blow your mind with the unique upgrades and finishes throughout the home, from the kitchen countertops to the real stone fireplace. And then the outside of this house, you can see it's real stone and brick and real cedar shake siding. So I'm excited for you guys to see this house. Take a look around. It's almost 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a huge bonus room. And when you see that attic space, it's gonna blow your mind. So go have a look and I'll meet you afterwards. Now that you guys have seen all the features of this beautiful home and all the high-end upgrades and how custom this craftsman style home is, located in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Guntersville, don't hesitate to give me a call and come out and see this beautiful home for yourself. As we're standing in this beautiful screen porch, you can see that everything in this house was taken to the next level. Give me a call at 256-302-7923. Call me directly, find me on Facebook. Thank you guys, have a great day.